Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Gemini AI app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Google app. And once you open up your Google app, what you need to do is tap on the top right corner of the screen, that is your profile icon. And once you tap on it, if you are not logged into your account, be sure to be logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, you'll be seeing an option that says settings. Tap on that. And once you're inside your settings, here you'll be seeing an option that says Google Assistant. Tap on that. Once you're inside that, all you got to do now is scroll down until you find the option that says Digital Assistant from Google's. Now what you need to do is tap on that. And once you tap on that, here you'll have the option to choose your digital assistant from Google. Select Gemini. And once you select Gemini, what you need to do is follow the process to completely set up the Gemini AI. Now once you are done with that, all you gotta do is go back to your home screen and then say hey Google, and you'll be getting something like this. Hi, I'm Gemini, a new experimental AI assistant. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on the get started on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, here you'll be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of the Gemini AI assistant. Now scroll down, and then on the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll be seeing your I agree button. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing this Gemini AI interface. Now all you gotta do is simply interact with Gemini AI to use it, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.